All right, empire builders, gather round the digital campfire. Ever feel like you're the hamster in the wheel of your own online business? Posting, tweeting, emailing, analyzing, only to look up and realize you haven't seen sunlight since Tuesday, and your idea of a break is switching from Instagram to Facebook? Yeah, we've all been that sweaty, slightly panicked hamster. Leans in conspiratorially, especially before coffee. But what if I told you, right here, right now, that you can build a thriving, profitable digital marketing empire without selling your soul to the algorithm gods or working 25-hour days? What if I told you the secret weapon isn't a magic potion or a billionaire's bank account? It's automation. And the best part? The foundation stones of this empire? They're free. That's right. Free. As in, keep your latte money free, buy your dog that fancy treat free. We're talking about tools so powerful, yet so accessible, that using them feels like finding a cheat code for the internet. Forget building your castle brick by agonizing brick. We're bringing in the robots. Today, I'm handing you the keys to 7 free tools that will automate your digital kingdom, free up your precious time, and let you focus on what truly matters: strategy, creativity, scaling your empire, maybe even gasp taking a vacation. So, grab your imaginary crowns, future moguls, because we're about to automate your way to freedom. Tool number 1, your loyal social squire, Hootsuite, free plan. Remember manually posting to Facebook, then Twitter, then Instagram, then LinkedIn, feeling like a one-person band playing 4 instruments badly? Meet Hootsuite, your loyal social media squire. The free plan lets you manage 3 social profiles and schedule up to 30 messages in advance. Mimes frantic typing. Imagine. Sunday evening, cup of tea, you batch create your brilliant content for the week. Hootsuite salutes, "Aye, Captain," and deploys it perfectly on schedule. You spend Tuesday actually living. It's not unlimited, but for starting your conquest, it's pure gold. Automates. Social media scheduling and basic monitoring. Tool number 2, your castle's town crier, MailChimp, free plan. Building an email list is like gathering your loyal subjects, but emailing them one by one? That's so last century. Enter MailChimp's free plan. You can store up to 500 contacts and send 1,000 emails per month. Set up a welcome series for new subscribers. Automatic magic. Send a monthly newsletter without breaking a sweat. Pretends to blow a trumpet. Hear ye, hear ye. The latest decree from your benevolent ruler has arrived. Automatically. Automates. Email marketing. Welcome sequences, newsletters. Tool number 3, your royal content librarian, Trello, free plan. Running an empire blindfolded? Madness. Google Analytics is your all-seeing eye. Don't worry. It uses its powers for good. Track where your website visitors come from, what they love, where they bail. It's free, incredibly powerful, and non-negotiable. Whispers dramatically. The data reveals. People love your cat meme blog posts, but flee from your 10,000-word dissertation on tax law. Adjust your strategy, my liege. Automates. Website traffic analysis and insights. Tells you what to automate. Ideas scattered on sticky notes. Content calendar living rent-free in your stressed-out brain. Trello is your visual command center. Organize campaigns, blog post ideas, social media calendars on beautiful drag-and-drop boards. The free plan is incredibly robust. Create boards for blog ideas, social calendar, guest post pitches. Assign tasks, set deadlines. Mimes tossing paper in the air. No more chaos. It's like having a hyper-organized librarian who actually enjoys your niche. Automates. Content planning, project management, team collaboration. Tool number 4, your master of audience whispers, Google Analytics, free. Tool number 5, your graphics guild master, Canva, free plan. You don't need a royal decree from the design gods or Photoshop skills that took decades to master. Canva is your instant graphics guild. Thousands of free templates for social posts, stories, ads, presentations. Drag, drop, customize. Boom! Professional-looking visuals in minutes. Holds up hands like framing a masterpiece. Behold, the Duke of Discounts announcement poster, created before my coffee got cold. Automates visual content creation, social media graphics, basic designs. Tool number 6. Your Swift Messaging Falcon, ManyChat, free plan. This is where the magic really happens, folks. Zapier is the glue, the duct tape, the automation alchemist of your empire. It connects your apps and makes them talk. The free plan gives you 5 zaps, automated workflows. Mimes sparks flying. Example. Zap. When someone fills out my Google form, new lead, automatically add them to my MailChimp list and send them a welcome message in Telegram. Or, when I publish a new blog post, automatically share it to my Twitter and LinkedIn via Hootsuite. It turns manual busywork into digital fairy dust. Automates, connecting apps and creating custom workflows. The real power-up. Want to engage customers instantly 24/7 without cloning yourself? Messenger marketing. ManyChat's free plan is your messenger bot wizard. Set up automated welcome messages, answer FAQs. What are your opening hours? Send updates. Mimes a bird taking flight. Away, my Swift Falcon. Deliver the coupon code to the loyal customer asking about discounts. Build relationships on autopilot. Automates. Facebook Messenger marketing and chatbots. Tool number 7. Your Efficiency Alchemist. Zapier. Free plan, 5 zaps. This is where the magic really happens, folks. Zapier is the glue, the duct tape, the automation alchemist of your empire. It connects your apps and makes them talk. The free plan gives you 5 zaps. Automated workflows. Mimes sparks flying. Example. Zap. When someone fills out my Google form, new lead, automatically add them to my MailChimp list and send them a welcome message in Telegram. Or, when I publish a new blog post, automatically share it to my Twitter and LinkedIn via Hootsuite. It turns manual busywork into digital fairy dust. Automates, connecting apps and creating custom workflows. The real power-up. Look at that. 7 free tools. 7 powerful allies ready to serve your vision. This isn't just about saving time. Though reclaiming 10 to 15 hours a week feels pretty darn royal, this is about leverage. This is about working smarter, not harder. This is about building systems that run while you sleep, scale as you grow, and free you to be the visionary leader your empire needs. Think about it. What could you do with that extra time? Craft an irresistible offer? Record that killer course? Actually play with your kids? Read a book that isn't about marketing? Build a second income stream? The possibilities are your kingdom. You have the ambition. You have the drive. Now you have the tools. Stop being the hamster. Start being the emperor, the empress, the sovereign of your own digital destiny. Automation isn't cheating. It's strategy. It's intelligence. It's building something that lasts, that thrives, that gives you freedom. Now, future moguls, this is where you take action. Smash that like button. Let me know this training fueled your fire. Subscribe right now. Consider this your official invitation to the Empire Builders Guild. We drop value bombs like this weekly. Deep dives, advanced strategies, more free tool hacks. You don't want to miss it. Hit subscribe and join the revolution. Share this video. Know another hardworking entrepreneur drowning in digital tasks? Share this lifeline. Spread the automation gospel. Be the hero in their story. Tag them below. Unlock your full potential. Ready to move beyond the free tier? Want the complete blueprint to building real wealth and sustainable success online? Click the link in the description below, right now. Educational guides. Step-by-step systems for every platform and strategy. profit-packed ebooks, deep dives into traffic, conversions, and scaling, inspirational manuals, mindset shifts, and success frameworks used by top earners, exclusive products, tools, and resources to accelerate your journey. That link is your gateway. It's your next-level training ground. It's everything you need to turn this automated foundation into a truly wealthy, impactful, and freeing online empire. Don't just automate, dominate. Click the link and claim your throne. Go forth, automate, and conquer. I believe in you. Now get building. See you in the next video. Peace.